Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my real trades, my real positions, and we're joined every day by from traders and investors around the world who equally share with you their live trades, their live positions. And let's get straight into the trades this morning. Let's have a look at where we are right now. Okay, now you can see if I go back to my overall position, this is my live position right now. If you've just tuned in for the very first time, please click subscribe and ring the bell. And of course, give us a thumbs up. That would be absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much indeed. We're up on the week, we are up on the month, and we are up on 3 months. Really good stuff. As you can see, things are looking really good. I asked a question, have we entered a bull market? I don't believe we have, but it's certainly a bear market rally. Today we're down very slightly, but that's expected for a Monday morning. Jessica Francis, thank you for your follow. I do appreciate you very much indeed. All right, let's get straight back into the trades and let's get going. Okay, here we go. I want to thank everybody that just did me a huge favor by going to the premiere, the 1-minute premiere tonight. Hopefully we'll get a viral video. ETORO, good day everyone. Good morning, Mike, over there on Twitch. You guys are absolutely the best. We're trying to grow the best YouTube channel in the world. And to do that, we're all family taking care of each other. So I really do appreciate it. Thank you ever so much, everybody who watched that video. That was absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much indeed. All right, let's get straight back into the trades and see where we are. Twitch. He's over on Twitch. Twitchity doodah. Absolutely great. Thank you very much, Bill. Thank you, Mike. So we had 10 subscribers. One of you is no longer subscribing. Make sure that you are a subscriber. It's free to subscribe using your Amazon Prime, and then of course you'll be in the monthly draw. You may have you may have not set your monthly subscription renew. It doesn't cost you any money, but of course if you're not a member, then you won't be in the free draw. You should always be a member, a subscriber of the Twitch channel. It's free and you can be in a cash prize, just 9. One of you've let your subscription lapse, and I'm sure you wouldn't want to do that because there's no reason for you to do that. It's every reason for you to keep it. All right, okay. New Flower, Addis Ababa, welcome. Should I buy Bitcoin at $24? Well, that's a very good question. This is my Bitcoin position right now. Which Bitcoin do you mean? Do you mean Bitcoin SV? I have 11 Bitcoin SV. I'm not buying any more and I'm not selling it. Bitcoin, I have owned it. I have made money from it. But right now I've sold out waiting for a dip. And I don't mind if it doesn't come because I've got my money working elsewhere. It's not a problem. All right. Ethereum, same thing. Looking very good. It's actually up 74%. My $1 of what I bought, but I'm not buying anything. I'm not chasing the stock. I refuse to chase a stock. Now you might say, well, you're missing out. I'm not missing out. My money is invested somewhere else, so it doesn't matter. But I'm not going to buy on the way up. I'm going to buy on the way down, and that's how things tend to go. Anyway, Ginkgo Bioworks was the reason for that video. We had a massive bounce the other day, 48% in minutes. I sold it, made a profit. And we got Ginkgo Bioworks tonight. I kept half of my shares. I have 60 left. I sold 60. And I'm waiting for it to go down to buy it back with the $60 profit to get those shares for free. That's essentially what I'm looking to do. All right, so let's see what happens throughout the day. Ginkgo Bioworks, Tilray Brands down 0.9 at the moment. I want to thank everybody who popped over to our premiere this morning. Thank you very much indeed. Really appreciate you very much indeed for all popping in there and getting involved in that video. Thank you. Did you leave a comment below? Let's have a little look. Won't work on my phone. What doesn't work on your phone? Won't work on my Prime. Yes, it does, Bill. You just got to turn your gaming on. It works. Amazon Prime works globally. It absolutely 100% works globally. You go to Amazon Prime /gaming. You simply turn gaming on. I don't even know why it gives you the option. It just says, do you want gaming? You go, yeah. And that's it. It doesn't do anything. And now you can attach your Amazon Prime to your Twitch account. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, and it is available all over the world. Any country, even Canada, Bill. All right, let's have a look. We've got some breaking news here. Paul B. European Digital Bank, Revolut, has been granted authorization by Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, allowing it to offer crypto services across the European area. Thank you very much, Paul. All this stuff that Paul sends in is very, very useful. Very, very useful. Thank you very much for that. So our man in the field, Canoe, is down 1.4. Let's go back to the beginning of our portfolio. We're down at the moment, just going sideways. Vanguard S&P is down. VU is down today 0.5%, but I'm up 6.5% now on that one. It plays 17% of my portfolio. Rio Tinto, I'm up 1.21. Of course, we're in it for the growth, but mainly the dividends. Dividends paying out soon, by the way. I should get around about $100. Which will be immediately reinvested. Virgin Galactic is down 0.8, but we're holding above $7 now. Virgin Orbit, very, very nice. I'm up 13% now. That's a very good position. Love that. I've got a good position, 454 shares. I'm up 0.97 today. Very nice. Tesla, $900. I asked in the poll, will... Anthony Brooks just subscribed. Thank you very much indeed. I asked in the poll, do you think that Tesla would reach $1,000 this week? And it looked like the poll suggested no. I'm quite surprised by that because I actually think it will. But then very often I'm different than everybody else. That's kind of the way my life goes. So anyway, let me just create a poll. Again today, we'll keep it going. Will Tesla hit $1,000 this week? All right, the answer is yes or no. All right, we had a poll in the community tab on YouTube, and the majority said no. Let's see what you think today. All right. We got some good news that came out over the weekend, of course. We had the information with Elon Musk and the 1 millionth car out of Shanghai. They now produce 3 million cars. Not bad for a startup, but he's very keen to grow that number dramatically. He hasn't even begun, apparently. So let's see in time what happens. All right. Now, if you've just tuned in, I want to say thank you for joining us. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. We have a free cash prize draw every Friday. We send out a newsletter every Friday. And you've all received your newsletters on Sunday for this Friday's draw. So check your inbox. Only a couple of people have entered the draw this week so far. So very, very good chance of winning. Now, tonight is Ginkgo Bioworks. We are reporting it after hours. We are covering it. We are up on it at the moment, 4.4%. I'm glad I'm in. If you'd like to join us and be part of the Ginkgo Bioworks earnings tonight, or even if you'd just like to support the video, click this link here in the chat right now. That'll bring you to this page here. Here's the Ginkgo Bioworks page. And you can click on the YouTube link or the thumbnail, whichever you like, and it'll bring you straight to it. And then once you do that, it'll bring you to this page, and then give us a thumbs up. Get yourself a ticket to the Ginkgo Bioworks. There you go. There we go. So if I give it a click and a like, there you go. Let's see if we can get 10 likes. That was what we did. We did 9 last time. Let's see if we can get 10 likes today on the Ginkgo Bioworks earnings. There it is. Let's see if we can get 10 on that by the end of the show. Awesome stuff. Okay. Going back to our trades right now, Ginkgo Bioworks is up 3.58. I'm sure it'll pop throughout the day, and I doubt if I will sell my next 60 shares because I'm looking for the next bounce down. But anyway. S&P is down slightly. Rio Tinto is down 4%, losing a bit of ground this morning. Rio Tinto did not get its copper mine that it wanted. That was a bit of a negative story for Ginkgo Bioworks. Good morning, everybody. Just purchased a 1-month subscription. What, here on TikTok? Richard? Thank Richard for subscribing. Hey, Richard. Right, well, something good happens for you now then. Let me just check. I didn't see it come in. Hang on. Richard, if you come back now, I need a nice setup and a course. What does that mean? Richard, if you come back in the chat right now, I will tell you what happens, because if you become a subscriber, magic things happen, and I want to do those magic things for you. Are you still in the chat? I'll come back and check on you in a second. I'll keep my eye out for Richard. Anyway, I missed him. I don't know if he's still there. We just got a subscriber. Anyway, if he's still in the chat, come back to me and I'm going to tell you. Oh, there he is. Yes, Richard, you have a Luca badge. Thank you very much indeed. Well, let me just introduce you. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm the world piano man, but I'm also the day trader. I'm here on YouTube right now. The link's in the profile. This is my studio. Look. We've raised over $1 million for our members. We help our subscribers and our members. I love doing it. I'm here to help you. So what I'm going to do at the end of this show, right at the end of this show, I'm going to put your channel, your TikTok channel on this screen here. And I'm going to make you a video asking all my 23,000 followers to subscribe and follow your channel. I love helping people and I'll follow you back. I only follow and I only make commercials for my subscribers and my members, because that way I can engage in everyone. I'm a full-time TikToker, full-time YouTuber. I spend 10 hours a day in this studio, and the idea is to help people raise money for charities, give it all away. What I make on YouTube, I give back in cash prize giveaways, and I'm here to help people. Fantastic. All you got to do is subscribe to me here on YouTube, on TikTok. I've got to get back to my YouTubers. I've got an audience in YouTube. We're trading live, and if you want to be in my cash prize draw now for free, Richard, absolutely free, you come into the icon up here onto YouTube, come out of the main show on TikTok, and say, I'm from TikTok, I'm Richard, I'm your new subscriber, and I'll put you in our free prize draw. I give away money every single Friday, and the bigger our channel gets, the more money we can give away. All right, I've got to get back to my audience. Richard, lovely to have you here. Thank you very much indeed. Richard, been there, done that. You're going to be mad when you don't actually learn anything. What do you mean, don't learn anything? This is my real trades, my real positions. It's the most honest TikTok, YouTube channel on the platform. Everything you see here is real. This is my real money on the portfolio. I've got to get back to my traders. My serious investors are here on YouTube. Richard, come and join us. Wonderful to have you. Thank you very much. My portfolio, by the way, is up from $5,000 up to $43,000. I'll share it with you on the screen. Here it comes in about 10 seconds. There's a slight delay on YouTube. There you go. My portfolio started at 5,000. We're now at 43. This is my real money, my real trades, my real positions. Anyway, fantastic stuff. Come and join me. Right, I've got to get back to YouTube. Let's have a little look. We've got a message here coming from Paul B. Scotland-based asset management company, ABRDN, has bought a majority stake in the crypto trader Archax, the UK's first regulated crypto asset company. Financial institutions embracing crypto. Yes, I do see that now. I see more and more of this information coming in, and no question about it. That does not mean, though, you wake up tomorrow morning and put all your money on crypto. It doesn't. The question I always ask myself when I'm investing money is, where is my money going to make the most profit? Where Kevin, how do you get in the drawing? I love your setup. Thank you very much indeed. Are you playing with stocks USA or UK? Both. Class and quality inspector on both. How you get in the draw? Like I just said, click the profile here and come into YouTube and I will get you involved. All right, the YouTube icon is behind here. The all links button will give you everything you need. Come on in. and I'll give everything to you. Right, we are living in a simulation. Nothing around is real. Is that right, Anand? Anand says we're living in a simulation. Nothing around is real. Brilliant. Oh, hang on. This is funny. We got some clown here in the chat. You guys are dumb for following this guy. You'll be very disappointed. Guarantee it. Well, do you? Sure his account is live. I was still bamboozled, but someone who actually knew how to trade as well. Well, that's your opinion, young. You're very welcome, but you'll notice my family is all here, and my family is all committed, and we're all making money, and we all support each other. And in this studio behind me, I've raised over $1 million for charities. I've literally given over $1 million away. We've raised it here in the studio, and I've shown you evidence and proved that to you several times on the channel. So if it's not for you and you don't like it, that's great. But I appreciate you coming in and listening and taking your time. But there you go. All right. Mike got trigger happy. Yeah. What did he do? What did he say? What did he say? Let me have a look. That's all right. He hasn't said anything offensive yet. Yeah, he can say what he likes. We follow Martyn. He does not say to do his trades always. Says up to each person. Absolutely. Of course it is. Of course it is. Absolutely. Hey, everyone's allowed to have their say on my show until they get rude. If they get rude, then we just get rid of them. If people are polite and respectful and positive, we make money, we support each other, we give away free money, we're here to support people when they get sick and ill, and we give them money on fundraisers. If that's not for you, then you must be mad. But that's all right. Some people are mad. Some people in the world don't want to be helped. They want to just moan. If young Dodgy wants to moan, let him moan. I doubt if that's even his real name. You all know what my real name is, Martyn Lucas. How long have I been trading? Been trading now for, well, I started trading 20 years ago with Barclays Bank in the UK. Never made any money. I made money on my trades, but the fees I had to pay meant I never made any money. But now I trade on Robinhood. I'm up from 5 grand to 43. So I've been trading most of my life. But this account, I've been trading for just over a year. Thoughts on PLAB stock? I've no idea. I don't know anything about it, Logan. But as you are a member of my channel, and not some clown like Young Dodgy saying silly stuff, I will look at it for you. So let's have a look. PLAB. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at it. What's the ticker on Vanguard 500? VOO, V-O-O. That's the one I'm in. But SPY, VOO, all the same. Photronics, been around since 1969, the year I was born. There you go. Good year. Photo mask and high precision photographic quartz or glass plates containing microscopic images of electronic circuits. All right. Connecticut. Average volumes, low volume. Doesn't offer a dividend. It's a small market cap, 1.5 million. Let's have a look at it. Let's have a look at its trades. Photronics, it's doing quite well at the moment. I like that steady growth. That looks good. That looks more like the S&P 500. Looks more like Apple or Microsoft. I like that. The chart looks nice. This basic chart. Would I buy it right now? It's up, it's down today slightly, up on the week, but then everything over the last 3 months has had a bit of a bounce. It's had more of a bounce than other companies. 69% is good. Its growth looks steady. It does have a swing opportunity. It's not flat, but it's also progressive, which means it's steady in the right direction. It's been around since 1969. The company IPO'd in, when was it? When did it IPO? Doesn't say just on here, but I'd have to dig down. It's making money. It's making money, so that's good. It's a steady growth. That's good. So initially, I would say Stephen Bill Pritchard. What does that mean? Richard. Oh, is that Richard? Is that Richard from TikTok? Is that Richard from TikTok? one of my new subscriber. Hang on a minute. So, who was it who asked me about this? Logan Pizza. I'd say it looks quite good. Overall, what it's doing is important to the world right now. This technology is forward thinking. We need this now with the explosion of EVs and technology in that space. I like it. On its initial glance, I have to say I like it. Thank you very much for bringing it to our attention. All right, this is dude blocked me on Doji account because he don't want to admit. What? Colby Dakota, no one's blocking you. Hang on. My moderators, let Colby speak a minute. Let him speak a minute. And if he gets rude and offensive, then of course we won't let him, be horrible and rude. But I'd like to know what his problem is. Dude blocked me on my Doji account because he doesn't want to admit he's fraudulent, is he? We've got the most honest, real people here on YouTube, Colby. So make friends and you'll... that's great, Colby. I'd love to welcome you to the family. We are the most honest, real channel on YouTube. This is my real money, my real trades. And anyway, welcome to you. And you're a welcome guest. No one here blocked. That's right. No one's blocked anyone. I think he deleted your comment because he thought you were being rude. And that's what his job is. That's Mike, one of our most valued members of our channel. So there you go. Anyway, so let's have a quick look. So this is Richard. Richard here, it's called Stephen Bill. That's not confusing at all. But anyway, Richard, welcome as a guest to our family. So would everybody please welcome Stephen Bill. His real name is Richard. I don't quite get that. But anyway, my name is Martyn Lucas. And it says my name is Martyn Lucas. So I want all my guests, please, to welcome our a guest in this morning. That's Richard, and welcome Colby as well. All right, so let me give you an official welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas, the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio. Let me give you a wave. In this studio, I've raised and proved over $1 million for my charities. I'm here to help people. It's what we do. This is where I do live music for my live concerts as the World Piano Man. And I'm in Dallas, Texas, and I'm originally from Cornwall in the United Kingdom, where we're going in October, by the way, to make a film. Okay, Colby, you've now started to be rude. There you go. We asked you not to be rude, and you decided to be rude. All right, okay. Everybody now just block Colby. We asked him not to be rude. He said he wouldn't be, and then he started being silly. So there we go. All right. Okay. We gave you a chance to be nice, and you chose not to be nice. So there we go. Let me just put him in a timeout. There we go. We've put him in a timeout now. Silly, innit? Don't understand why anyone's so rude. Anyway, silly. Doesn't get you anywhere. Bye, Colby. Isn't it silly, innit? People who talk silliness don't achieve a damn thing. It's like, when you just moan it all the time. Moan for a laugh. Don't just be an idiot. All right, okay. So, Richard, did everybody welcome our real guest in, Stephen Bill? So, Stephen, you want to be in our free product name? Ah, okay. So would everybody please put your cities and countries in, and please welcome Stephen Bill. Now after a quick 5-second commercial break, I am going to give Stephen Bill all the information that he might want to be a member or be in our draws. We give money away all the time. Why do we do it? Because I love doing it. I love helping people, and I'm building a legacy to support and help people. And unfortunately, our friend Colby isn't going to get anything now because he just can't resist being silly. Isn't it daft, isn't it? Isn't it daft? He's sitting there thinking, I could have won some money today, but I can't because I had to say silly stuff. Maybe I should stop doing that. It doesn't really get me anywhere. Anyway, let's have a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. Oh, man. There you go. That was a quick, wasn't it? So, Stephen Bill. If you want to be part of our family, you'll see nearly everybody here has a badge. They have a badge because nearly everyone's a member. And the reason why they're a member, don't ask me, ask them. They will tell you they get 20 times back what they put in. And that's how it was built. That's how this channel was built. It exists for the members and the family. And that's what we do. We've raised money, we support people, we help people all the time. We promote your YouTube channels and everything. Now, we do a cash prize draw. Now, the reason why we do it this way is we don't want people like Colby winning it. We don't want crazy people and lunatics coming on our show and trying to take all my money. So what we do, every Sunday I send out a newsletter. It's completely free. Here's the newsletter. And I'm going to give it to you now. And when you click on it, it will bring you to this page I'm about to show you right now. There it is in the chat. Can you see it? Can you see it in the chat? All right. It will bring you to this page here. You put your email in. It's a secure server. You put your email in there, and you will be in you'll receive our letter. Now, you do need to verify the newsletter because it contains the words free and cash prize, which means it'll always go into your junk folder, unfortunately. So here is the email you're looking for, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. It's on the About section of this video if you can't copy it quick enough. There it is. That's what you're searching for. It will go into your junk folder, and once it does that, every single Sunday you will receive the email, and every single Friday I do a draw. And I can tell you now, for this week's newsletter, guys, only 5 people are in the draw. Incredible stuff. Very easy to win the cash prize this week. Only 5 people have entered. I'm absolutely amazed. Anyway, what's your worst loss as an investor? My worst loss? Well, Virgin Galactic, my favourite stock, is the one I've lost most money on. I bought it at $35 originally, and it crashed back down, but I made money on the way down. But I lost money originally, but I made it back. So that was my worst one. Peter Maycock has put his country in. There you go, York. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Brickmark, hi all. Paul B. It's currently top 100 in the world current circulating supply. 9.6 billion. If you need more info on ANKR coin market cap, currently up there's the website. Currently up 2.5% today. And I'm sure Paul will share that in the Discord group. So here is the Discord group, if you wish to be a member. Now, I just want a quick warning of everybody. Every day, someone goes into Discord and they pretend to be me. They use my same icon. They call themselves Martyn Lucas. And then they start messaging you. I never message anyone. I only reply to messages. Now, let me just tell you right now, right off the bat, you can always tell which is the real Martyn Lucas. First of all, I don't message you. I only reply to you. Secondly, look in their roles. They have no role. I am the owner. I have the role owner, which means my text is always gold. My name is always gold. Very, very simple. All right? They can call themselves Martyn Lucas. I've got over 100 on TikTok. And the reason why that happens is because we give away money, our channel is growing, and people want to climb on the back of it. That's all it is, like parasites. And please be very wary, because they're always trying to sell you something or scam you out of something. And you know, I only ever give things away. I don't sell you anything. Unless you want to buy one of my mugs. There you go. I feel left. No scammer tries to message me. I feel left. No scammer. Oh, you feel left out. Peter Maycock. Don't worry. Somebody will now. Not as bad as my Snap loss. No, Snap was a joke. I've always said Snap is a child's plaything. No one should invest in Snap. Good morning, CY Financials. That's Kane Youngquist. Lovely to have you here. I feel left out. I never had a scammer message me. That's the quote of the day. Do you know what? That's one of the quotes of the day. I want that one. I like that. Hang on. I like that one. He says, I feel left out. I never had a scammer message me. Trust me, you don't want it. It's a pain in the backside. Nothing good about it. It doesn't mean anything. It just means you haven't been noticed in the messages. But don't worry, you soon will be. It soon happens, especially now we've highlighted you. They'll be all over you now. That's it. You'll be all over it now. Right, Tesla's having a huge bounce today. I asked everybody, and still the majority says no. I love when the majority disagrees with me. It means I'm going to be right. Okay, subscribe and ring the bell. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're here. We've got 19 likes, 16 watching. That's not very good for Monday morning. I don't know what's wrong with that. I think I might know why. Oh, right. Hang on. Let me just test a little theory here a minute. I want you all to do me a favour. It's Ginkgo Bioworks tonight, and I'm trying to promote it. Why am I trying to promote it? Because I want everyone to buy it and pop it again. All right? So, Ginkgo Bioworks, this is my share. This is my money. I've got it right here. I've already sold at 48% up, made a bit of money. I've only got 60 shares right now. So, you can play your part. Do you know how you can play your part? First of all, you can register to be at tonight's show. Here we go. There's the Ginkgo Bioworks link. Click on that. Click on that little link there. That'll bring you to this page here. You'll be in the Ginkgo Bioworks event. And then click on the link. See the video? You can click on the video or the link. I've made it so easy. So easy. It's ridiculous. Right. We got 3 likes. I asked you all to go and like the video. We started with 0. We got 3. We should have at least 10. Who wants to be in the Ginkgo Bioworks and make some money, all right? So there you go. Let's get that up. Let's get that up to 10, all right? Can we please? Come on, people. What's going on here? Right, there's that one. And the other thing as well, which you need to do, while you're watching this little show right now, I just put out a video, a 1-minute video about Ginkgo Bioworks. Hell of a short video. Hell of a heck of a short video. I might put a cash prize on it because that might get you to watch it. Right? Here, please watch this. Open another tab and leave a comment below. I might do a little cash prize on it. Right, there you go. There it is. I want to get it to go viral today. See it? There you go. I've just put it in the chat for you. Let me refresh it. See how many views it's got on it. How many views did it get? Right. Ginkgo Bioworks is still bouncing around, swing trading right now. 5 likes. Thank you very much indeed. Who left a comment? Let's have a look at our comments in the chat. Pika Maycock, half thanks. Yeah, everyone's loving it. Aaron Bell's laughing his head off, and is laughing, and we find that quite entertaining. That you are upset that you're not getting scammers to message you. I think that's quite funny. Right, who left a message? Who left a message below that video? Who are my top people? Ali Tisro, make sure you join us tonight. Ali Tisro, name and shame time. Name and shame. Below the Ginkgo Bioworks video. Ali Tisro, what's up with you, Mike? Mike, you set such a high standard. Look, Ali Tisro did it. He's the only one who left a message. That's terrible. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. So, Martin, is the trick to day trading to pick a stock that is close to earnings date? No, it's way much more than that. I trade and swing trade, scalp trade, long-term invest. Mike, Leah's just come in with my coffee. Are you all right, babe? Shout me if you need me, right? She's having a hard time today. She's got a bad leg. Mike, even despite Leah's bad leg, Leah's not very well, she brought me my coffee in my mug. Unbelievable. See that commitment? Even when my wife's got a bad leg, she brings me a cup of coffee. See? Amazing, right? Peter Maycock says, waiting time is longer than the actual video. Waiting time. I know. Not anymore, it's not, though. Not anymore. It's only when it first premiered. When it first premiered. Thanks, Leah. There you go. See? Good old Mike. He's always there. He ain't messing around. Brilliant. Good stuff. All right. Now, I got a message on TikTok, right? I want to get one of your mugs. You have to be on YouTube. And guess what I'm going to do? You're going to like this. If you want one of my mugs, look. One of my mugs, look. I can actually put it in the chat. You ready? Look at this. This is my day trader mug. Look at that. This very mug that I am drinking out of, you could buy now in the chat. See? Look at that. The day trader mug. You can own one of those. And when you're in the shop, you can buy everything else. Hats, scarves, socks. I mean, you know what I mean? Anything you like. Brilliant. I'm pulling a Rob Brennan and going heavy on earnings. On an earnings trade today. James M. Never fear, Ali is here. See? Ali's done it. Tell her we said thank you. Aaron Bell. Yeah, thank you. Aaron Bell says thank you as well. It's becoming quite a thing now. Poor Leah, she's been up all night. She's got a pain in her leg, like a muscle thing or something going on. And I've been trying to massage it with a massager. She's having a hard time, but she still walked in here with my coffee. There we go. So never fear, Ali's here. I have a dozen. Birkenhead Market. Well, the thing is, Paul, it can't be in the Birkenhead Market until someone buys one. And as you know, I've never sold a single mug on my show. All right, if you want to see who's got a mug, should we see who's got a mug? Here we go. These are the people that have got a mug. See around the outside? These are the good people. These are the people that I like. These are the people that I actually like. And there you go. Look at Bill. Look at Bill. See Bill doing his. Doing his roses. Shocking. I've sold loads of them. Get out of it. All right, let's get straight into it. Paul B. I love Paul B. He was on the show the other day. Did anybody see him? Really, really good. Love Paul B the other day. Really, really good. Anyway, I need Paul B to call in again. My mug still works. I know. I used it this morning. Does it still work? That's good. What happened to your son or daughter? Who was it? Janelle? Not Janelle. Somebody. Theodore? Not Theodore. Who was it? Someone in your family. It was their birthday on Friday, and they got to miss out because of you. You sent them to their mums or something to have a party, but you missed out. So they need to be here on the show. I'll call in sometime this week. Brilliant. There we go. I'd love that. Elijah, there you go. I get Elijah on Wednesday. There you go. So we got to make up for it. You've got to make up for it, not me. It's not my fault. You're the one who's depriving your child of birthday celebrations on YouTube. It's nothing to do with me. Nothing to do with me. It's to do with you. All right. Rio, we got just over 15 minutes to go. Looking pretty good. Let me go back to my Ginkgo Bioworks. 4 people now have liked the video for tonight. Okay, not too bad. If you're not in yet, here's the Ginkgo Bioworks link. This is it right now. If you want to be in tonight's Ginkgo Bioworks event after hours, of course you want. I mean, at least like it, even if you don't like it. Just like it. That's what everyone does, isn't it, on YouTube and Twitter and TikTok? Everyone just likes everything, even if they don't like it. They just like it. It's like. It's just what you do. And when you like it, it'll bring you to this video. Click on the video, and then let's get more than 4 likes. I mean, 4 likes. Think of how many people in the world, and 4 people like my video. Imagine how that makes me feel. Can you imagine how that makes me feel? 4 people in the world like my video. 4 people. Let me see the comments. There we go. All right then. Some of you, now we've got a bit of action going on. We've got Ali Tisro. I'm going to make Ali Tisro famous. I'm going to pin Ali Tisro to the top because he came in first. Right, pin. Pin. There you go. Look, I'm going to put Ali Tisro to the top now. I've pinned him. See that? Look, I've pinned him, and I'm going to reply to him later. There's Bill and Alopijo. Ola Pajot has done it, and Bill. No one else. Not even Mike. I mean, something's really gone wrong, isn't it? The Church of Logic. Here he is. Our celebrity, Church of Logic, who was on the show the other day. Here he is. I liked the video where Bill was in and you were singing. You did. Did you like that one? That was all right. Did everyone see that? Bill, have you seen that video? What kind of saw? I gave him to an army cook friend of mine I call Flintstone. Morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Right, we got just 15 minutes to go before the bell goes. Get ready for the lightning round, as Jim Cramer would say. The lightning round. The lightning round's just 15 minutes away. Four people is first step to the 4 million. I know, 4 people. How many people in the world have liked my video on YouTube? 4. We are the champions. Yeah, did everybody watch it? I'm not going to give it you again. It's in the newsletter, the cash prize free newsletter. Let's see, someone signed up for the newsletter this morning. It was 203. It's now 204. There we go. Someone signed up for the newsletter this morning. Now, many of you are not clicking on the competition videos. Can anyone tell me why? Can anyone tell me why? I've got a 60% open rate, and at the moment, the last 2 weeks, only about a 10% of those people click on the competition. Can anyone tell me why? What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? And don't say it's not enough money, because I'm not giving you any more money. We'd all click on it if it's $1 million. But what is it? What is the reason? Because I've noticed that since we got more people get the newsletter, the amount of people that are entering the draw's gone down. And obviously, I'm thinking, is it people that, I don't know, are not real fans of the show getting the email? They're not, I don't know. I've no idea. They will wait for your reminder. They will wait for the reminder on Friday. Do you think so? Is that what it is? That did happen on Friday. You're absolutely right. That definitely did happen on Friday. A lot of people then suddenly opened it on Friday. I don't get that, because it's not just the cash prize draw, is it? You don't just get the newsletter for the free money, do you? Don't you want to hear from me? I'll do it in a few. Busy Mondays here, mate. It went out on Sunday. Church of Logic, it went out on Sunday. Do you think it goes out on the wrong day? Do you think it should be a different day? What does everybody think? 60% of you, there's 204 people now who receive it. 60% have opened it. Everyone's received it. 60% have opened it, and only a handful have entered the competition. Why do you think that is? Yeah, forgot it come on Sunday. You forgot. You don't have to remember. Oh, look, I've got an email from Martyn Lucas. You don't have to remember this information, church. You don't have to put it in your calendar. Think, hang on a minute. On Sunday, there's the newsletter. It just comes into your email. People don't value the thing they get easily. All right, then. Right, from now on, everyone's got to pay $10 to receive my newsletter, because Anne says people don't value the thing they get easily. There you go. All right, I fixed it. Didn't even check. You didn't even check your emails. People don't value what they get easily. I think Anne has sorted it out. This is a win for everyone. Now everybody will take part in the video, and I'll make money from it. I'm going to now charge $10 to receive the newsletter. There you go. You can only receive the newsletter if you pay $10. Now you appreciate it, right? Now you appreciate it. Good morning, all. The Queen of Self-Braiding. Did everyone see the Queen of Self-Braiding is the celebrity in our newsletter? Did you see that? Today is the tomorrow you worried about yesterday. Oh, hello. Looks like Bill's giving wisdom. Bill's giving wisdom. Today is the tomorrow you worried about yesterday. Just say that slowly. Today is the tomorrow you worried about yesterday. I didn't worry about anything. Don't involve me in your nonsense. Don't bring me into your malarkey. I don't worry about nothing. The only thing I worry about is when Paul B turns up. That's when I start worrying. Other than that, I'm fine. Right. Everything's down this morning, but trying to push up. We asked you the question, still, it's 50-50, isn't it? Whether you think it's going to be $1,000. So HLBZ CEO buys 750,000 worth of shares in pre-market today ahead of earnings. He paid double the market value for the shares. Woo! HLBZ, James. Let's have a little look. HLBZ, top tip. Hellbiz. Is this it right now? This is interesting. Hellbiz is up 27% today. What is it? Urban transportation, which engages in provision of transportation, specifically addressing first and last mile transport. It operates with the following segments: mobility, media, and other. The mobility segment covers a mobility offering that allows consumers to move around the city using green and electric vehicles such as scooters, bikes, and mopeds. My kind of stock. It's my kind of town. Chicago is boom boom. My kind of stock. Hellbiz it is. Oh yeah, look at that. That even rhymes. They have electric scooters and bikes for rent. Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, the only people in the eligible to participate who buy the merch, and then a few of them can win the pool prize. Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, the only people is eligible to participate who buy the merch, and a few of them. Yeah, that's it. That's what we're doing, and that's what we're doing. The only people to receive my newsletter from now on have to buy my merchandise, spend at least $100 a person. This is a great plan. Oh, I'm so glad you came on here, Anand. You should be a member of my channel. How come you're not a member? Anand, you should be a member. I'm serious. Look, let me give him the invitation to join. There you go. I've given him the invitation to join. Right? That's the least I could do, innit? The least I could do is get him to be a member, right? And then for all the benefits and perks he'll get. And I'll also give him the Discord link as well. I mean, it makes sense, doesn't it? Oh, yeah, it makes sense. CEO bought 250,000 shares at $3 on Friday. For your information, no way. No way. I'm not looking to invest anything at the moment. I'm fully invested, so I'm not looking to make any purchases. But and I certainly wouldn't want to chase a stock that is already up 50%. But there you go. It is a startup, nevertheless. Look. Oh, yeah, but when you look at it like that, good morning, Zach. Apologies for Zach for not getting your money to you yet, but I'm working on it. I haven't forgotten you. You know I haven't forgotten you. CEO bought 250,000 shares. How do you pay more for the stock? How do you pay more from the stock than is the price? How is that possible? Tell me how you do that. Tell me how you do that. Tell me how you pay double the price for a stock. I mean, how is that even possible? I'm going to Jamaica, bring a new mountain bike for $250. Sell it for $500. I did this 5 times back in the 1980s. Really? Is that a way to make money, is it? Go to Jamaica with a bike and sell it? In the 1980s? Remember that? Unreal. So basically you're a bike dealer. You're a bike dealer, smuggling bike dealings. Tesla, oh, look at this. I told you the news would be good. No one listens to me. No one listens to me. What did I say this morning? Did you swim with the bike on your back, Bill? Yeah, to save the plane ticket money. Otherwise, he's out of pocket, isn't he? Anyway, there you go. The markets aren't even open. Of course they're open. Someone on TikTok saying the markets aren't open. It's called the pre-market. They've been open. There are people trading 24 hours a day. Trust me. I could start trading from 6 in the morning. I've been able to trade for the last two and a half hours. Don't tell me I can't. The markets aren't open. The bell hasn't gone. The floor hasn't opened, but you can still trade and invest. So if you think you can't trade before 8:30 in the morning, you are wrong. You didn't listen to me about J&J. What about J&J? Oh yeah, J&J. I didn't listen to you. I didn't listen to you. You're right. I don't pay any attention to you, Church of Logic. Now I know who you really are. Now we've had you on the show, I'm paying less attention. Because now I know who you really are. You're a cheeky little chappy. And I know who you are now. Now I can really set to you. There you go. J&J. I should have bought it at 166 apparently, but I didn't. And I got told off because now I'm down again. Yeah, I know. I don't know what I'm talking about. What do I know? The Church of Logic. Yeah, you can laugh. You can laugh. Right, subscribe, ring the bell. We've got 5 minutes to go. Let's get excited, right? Are you ready for the lightning round? Are you ready for a day at the races? It's 5 minutes away. Subscribe, ring the bell. Okay, let's get some action before we go. So let's get everybody excited. Is everybody excited? How many people have liked the Ginkgo Bioworks video? 4. That is an embarrassment. You're making me look bad. There is the Ginkgo Bioworks link. You've got 5 minutes. Click on it. I'm going to run a commercial break, so you might as well. There's the Ginkgo Bioworks link. Click on it. Brings you to there. Then you can click on the like. That's after hours tonight. We all need to be there. Call yourself a member of the family. You need to be there. All right? Have you left a comment? Have you left a comment below the Ginkgo Bioworks film video I put out a little while ago? Did you do it? Did you do it? Here is the Ginkgo Bioworks video. Have you opened the second tab? Left a comment? I'm going to expose you now. Yes, I'm going to expose you. I'm going to... Don't say that again. You're going to expose him. Right, okay. Going to expose the people that didn't leave a comment. If you didn't leave a comment now, you're going to be shamed. And I'm sorry about it, but that's all there is to it. Right, that's all there is to it. Who left a comment? I pinned him to the top because he was such a legend. Ali Tisro. Aaron Bell did it. Bill did it. Alope Jew did it. That's it. Not even Mike. Not even Mike did it. I mean, what? When Mike doesn't do it, there's something going on in the world, right? There's something going on in the world, right? Okay. Anybody sign up for the weekly newsletter? We're up to 204 now. Don't forget to check your newsletters, guys. You've got loads of competition videos. 204. No, still 204. If you didn't get your... I did leave a comment. Well, I can't see it. Maybe you clicked the wrong video. I don't know what you did, Mike. I'll have another look in a minute. Here's the weekly newsletter if you want to sign up for our weekly newsletter. Cash prize giveaways every week, my top tips, stuff that's going on. I want everyone to click the Queen of Self-Braiding as well. Did you see it in the video? Did you see it in the newsletter? She sponsored the newsletter. Now, if you've not seen the newsletter, look in your junk box. If it's gone into your junk box, the email is thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. It's in the chat. There you go. Okay, here we go. We've got 3 minutes to go. Ready for the lightning round? Are you ready? It's about to get busy here on the Day Trader. We're very, very excited. Shall we have a quick look and see if we've gained any subscribers during today's show? Shall we have a look? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Spin the clock. 4,379. We gained 2. That'll do for me this morning. It's early. Right. Okay, let's get into it. Me too, Mike. Yeah, you're all doing it, but not getting appreciated. Has everybody bought themselves a mug yet? In the chat, have you bought your mug yet? Have you bought a mug yet? Because this is how you get the free newsletter. Only joking. Mike Flynn. What's going on? Yes, what's going on over on TikTok? You should join YouTube. I listen to you always, sir. And I will join in, buy the shares in space. Yep, got loads of shares in space. Okay, here we go. Quick commercial break. I'm back in 10 seconds. The lightning round is just 2 minutes away. Here we go. And we're back. Easy C. Good morning, Easy C. Good morning, Easy C. Have you entered the competition? Have you checked your news inbox for your newsletter? Went out on Sunday. Only a handful of people are in the draw to win the cash prize on Friday. Lots of lazy people on our channel. They don't check their emails on Sunday. 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. It's in your junk box. Go and look in your junk box, probably. There we go. Done. All done. Easy C is in. Easy C. He's watched it. He's liked it. Hopefully he's watched the whole video. It was only a minute long. I made it so easy for you guys. I mean, seriously, how easy did I make it this week? I made it too... Did I make it too easy? I made it too easy this week. All right, here we go. 1 minute on the clock. Go. The lightning round is about to kick in. We're about to break down the stocks. Rio Tinto, Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Monday morning. Am I going to break? Am I going to break? We're keeping that open. Chicky, 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 pow, pow, said, chicky, 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 pow, pow, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, chicky, chicky, chicky. 43,000, am I going to make, oh, here he is, Shad. Shad. I've got a great picture of Shad, I'll share that with you this afternoon. Shad sent me in a great picture, you're going to love it. You're going to love it, I'm telling you, you're going to love it. You ready? Get ready for the market to open. Is Tesla going to go to $1,000 a share today? Rio Tinto. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. And it's showtime here on the Day Trader. Let's get ready to go. Here we go. The markets are now open. And we start off at the top of the tree with my overall portfolio is down 1.17. Vanguard is down 0.54 but rising. Rio Tinto is down 3.8 trying to push up. Virgin Galactic is diving up now. It's returned again down 0.98, down $1.137, holding above $7. Virgin Orbit is down 1.38. Tesla is now 909. I predicted $1,000 this week. The majority said no. The majority will be wrong. Look at this. 908, 909, 908, 909, 909, 9010. There it goes. Come on, 9010. Watch it. Up 0.88 this morning. Here we go. It's pushing up right now. 908. Rivian is now coming up down 3.44. I'm up 41% on Rivian. Lucid is down 1% right now. Polestar is down 0.54%. Arrival is up 0.06. Amazon is down 0.22. Apple is down 0.13, but rising very quickly. I'm up 12.5% now. Apple is about to turn green. Robinhood is down 0.09. I am up 9%. Very small position. McDonald's is up 0.16. I'm up 7% on McDonald's. Coca-Cola, I'm up 1.55, up 0.2 today. Johnson Johnson. There we go. We're coming back now. I was down 4%. I doubled my position. It got me down 2%, and it went down further. So I'm down 3.5%. So I'm better than I was, but great for dividends. You can't lose money on J&J. It's too big. It's too robust. It's involved in everything. So I love J&J. A good place to hold your money. Of course, it's part of the S&P 500 as well. Good dividends as well. Always paid out. Google is down 0.22. High-tech, high-risk stock has bottomed. I said it about a month ago. I stand by that decision. Microsoft is down 0.23. I'm up nearly 13% on Microsoft. Have a reasonable position on Microsoft. Meta Platforms, I am up 7.5%. We're down 0.42 today. SoFi is down 0.52, and we are now looking good as we close into the final furlong. IonQ is up 2% today. 17% up. This is Amazon's second biggest investment. PayPal is down PayPal has turned green. The overall market now has turned green. Has my portfolio turned green? Yes, we have now turned green. We are now into the final furlong, and we now on the lightning round here on the Day Trader. We now move on to Rolls-Royce, down 0.93, and we come around the final furlong now. The final furlong. This is getting crazier every week. Walmart is down 0.2. Down 0.2. We got the earnings for Walmart this week. My overall portfolio has just turned green. I am now $44,200. Target is now down 0.27. Target is down. We've got earnings for Target this week. Moving on to Tesco's supermarkets is down. Canoe. GOEV is up. I said it would bounce back after its earnings. It is up 22%. I told you it would do. No question about that whatsoever. On is down 1.26. Down now 0.86. Up 36% on. Very nice. Tilray Brands is up nearly 2%, 4.11 now. This will 10x in the coming months. Fantastic. Ginkgo Bioworks is up 3.58. It reports tonight. Very, very good. Enphase Energy is now 0.92. We are at 301. We are now 68% up on Enphase Energy. And Bitcoin is down 2.28. We're making more money on stocks and shares again. Crypto is down, stocks and shares are up. Stocks win and crypto loses. We are waiting for that final push down. We are now going to check the camera for the photo finish. But it does look today, in today's race, that Ethereum, Bitcoin and crypto did lose the race for supremacy today. There we go. That was the lightning round here on the Day Trader. I hope you enjoyed that. Oh, yeah. Where's Paul B? Paul B, there we go. We're up 0.64 today. Stocks and shares win it. Remember when people say to me, you're not day trading. I trade when it's the right time to do. You can't put a label on me. You can't put baby in a corner. All right. I trade when it's the right thing to do, and I invest when it's the right thing to do. It's entertainment, but it's real. This is my real money. I don't intend losing it just to provide a sideshow. All right. Is this the Mad Money Show? It's better than the Mad Money Show as we get more likes. We do. We get more likes. If you go on to CNBC, or is it Yahoo Finance, and you see Kramer, he gets more views, but I get more likes per view. I'll tell you that for a fact. And we get more members, way more members. Our channel is growing quicker as well. Right, there we go. At the moment, the Vanguard S&P is down very slightly. Rio Tinto, Virgin Galactic. Oh, and you know what I'm going to say? I cannot enjoy this. Because we know our good friend, our dear friend, Rob Brennan. Every day I look at this. Anyway, Virgin Galactic, there we go. Virgin Galactic is up today. Huge pump there. You could sell that and take some money and buy the dip. I'm not going to do that. I know I could do that. But I'm not going to. Tesla, 918, 919. All right, I told you all this was coming. I did say to you that it would hit $1,000. Check CSX for me, please. Church of Logic, are you a member? I don't know. I don't know if I can do it. Are you a member? Are you a member? CSX. He's a member, isn't he? He can't be anywhere else. CSX is up, down, up, in, out, left and right. Down 1% at the moment. It's up 3% this week, just dropping off a little bit, but very steady. And it's got a nice dividend as well. It's what you want. You want steady stocks that aren't reddited to death. That's what you want, unless you like playing the casino, but that isn't really for me anyway. But there you go. There's CSX. So I'm now at $44,448. The next milestone, of course, is can we reach $45,000, heading to $50,000? Great, not worried. I wouldn't be worried. That's a good stock to own. Rio Tinto taking a bit of a dive this morning. Virgin Galactic, 729. Very, very nice indeed. 731. Oh. Lot of interest with Virgin Galactic. Let me check the volume. We need to do a little bit of videos. All right. Let's watch a video. You can all now watch a video being made. You lucky people. Look, you actually get to watch how a video is made. I mean, seriously, do you realise how lucky you are? I don't think you realise how lucky you are. I don't know if you do or not. I don't know if you do. Oh, man. So SPCE. This is like the making of the movie, and you get to witness it like every day. It's like, it's amazing. I mean, does life get any better than this? You get to enjoy yourselves, make money, make friends, have a laugh. I mean, I don't know how life gets better than that. I might start charging more for my memberships. It's just too good. How can you live without it? Right, here we go. Should we make a movie? Okay, here we go. Breaking news on the day trader, SPCE stock, Virgin Galactic, one of my biggest positions. In fact, it is my biggest position. I've been saying 100% that this stock will go to $100. Absolutely 100%. Not because it's worth as much as Google, because people will pay the price for it. And I will sell on the way up to $100. It's popped up today, looking very, very nice indeed. Nearly 2%, was a bit higher. Should we scalp trade it? No, I could do. I could take some money off the table, but I'm not. I know where this stock is going, and the trouble is, the people that are investing in it have no idea where it's going, and they keep driving it up, driving it down. It's a bit like Tesla. Think of Tesla with the skies. That's what Virgin Galactic is. And people don't understand what this stock is. They merely think it's a space company. It's a tourism company. It's way more than that. It's linked to the military. It's linked to space exploration. It's got connections with Virgin Orbit, and Virgin Orbit is about to explode. We know that. And also it's linked to the Virgin what's it called, experiences, the hotels, the holidays, the cruise ships, and all the rest of it. And did you know, if you go to Virgin Galactic Space Station, which I am going to be going to, by the way, when you go there, you take the whole family, stay at the hotel while your friend who's going to fly becomes an astronaut, and a whole package around. It's like Disney. Think of Disney, but better. What do you do at Disney? You ride a roller coaster. Well, at Virgin Galactic, you actually go into space for real, while the whole family has a wonderful experience. Is this the new Disney? Is this the new Disney? What do you reckon? Is Mickey Mouse going to make an appearance? No, but Richard Branson probably will. So there's Virgin Galactic today. Popped up again. It's a day trader's dream, a scalper's dream, but I'm not actually trading it at the moment. I could do, but I'm not. I could have made a lot of money doing this, but I'm not. I'm also fully aware of my tax position. I don't want to be just in and out of a stock where I believe it's going to go a lot higher. This stock will be $100 a share. It won't be long before it's over $10 and it stays there. Since it had its earnings, you may notice, if you look at the actual 3 months since the last earnings, when it drove down after the last earnings, it's been trending upwards. Now, I'm not a chart reader, as you all know. I don't believe in charts. I think they're a waste of time. They don't show you the future. They merely show you the past. But for chart readers, you will notice it's actually driving up over time. The earnings wasn't bad. People sold out because they thought, oh, the earnings are terrible. The earnings wasn't terrible. They're simply investing and spending money and building the experiences, which is way more than just the tourism. So there we go. Virgin Galactic got some energy this morning. Shall we have a look at the volume as it goes live right now? The volume, the average volume on SPCE is 9 million, and we've had nearly 1,803,000 so far in the first few minutes. You don't always need volume. You just need a few big traders to dump a lot of stock or buy it in, and everything changes in a heartbeat. But there we go. Virgin Galactic, I'm still in. I'm not going anywhere. I love the stock. I think it's fantastic. And there you go. Join me live on the Day Trader. If you look below, you can be in our free cash prize draw. The money I make on YouTube, I like to give away as cash prizes. Why? I'm just a nice bloke. There you go. And I love doing this for everyone. Virgin Galactic, join us live. If you click up here, you'll be in the Ginkgo Bioworks earnings tonight. That's explosive. I made a 48% pop the other day, and I sold on a 38% pop. So join us later on for the Ginkgo Bioworks earnings. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there you go, folks. There is the little video. Let me check what time that went out. Thanks for being part of that. You lucky people. You're actually part of history here. You're actually part of the making of stuff. 108. So let me put that in. Do you feel honoured? I mean, do you feel special? Do you feel like special? 1 hour 8. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to go, ooh, it popped up and down. Let's do a hand like that. Shall I do a, ooh. There you go. Something like that. There you go, SPCE. Oh, we got a bronze member. Easy C has just become a bronze member. Please don't take profit, everyone. Please don't take profit, everyone. Hold. I should be a gold member by tax season. And when I start my travel channel, hey, when you start your travel channel, you know the one channel that's going to promote it more than anyone else. It's a bloke called the Day Trader, Martyn Lucas. He's going to blow you up, make you famous. Stick you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Stick you on the homepage. If you are a silver member, I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel, church, and I make videos for you. If you make me a manager, promote you, and do all that good stuff. Yeah. Easy C. Easy C has just become a member of our channel. Would we all please welcome Easy C into the channel right now? Right, should we give Easy C all these perks and benefits? No. Shall we not? We're not giving him anything. We'll just leave him with nothing. Shall we do that? Be the first member ever, we give them nothing. They sign up and they get nothing. I'll go on then. Everybody, please put your cities and countries in. Easy C has become a member. I'm from, my studio is here in Dallas, Texas, and I'm actually from Cornwall in England. Lovely to have you here. Well, Easy C. Now you are a member, you can get many perks. Let me have them. Let's go. Right, first of all, you get highlighted in the chat. You get featured. I reply to all your comments, so that promotes your YouTube channel. I will follow you on social media. If you reach out to me, I will follow you. I only follow my subscribers my subscribers on TikTok and my members here. How much to become a member? You can subscribe on TikTok. Up the top here, a couple of bucks a month. Or you can come to YouTube where the main perks are, and that's where our cash prize draw is. The link's in the profile. Come into the all links button here in the icon. All right. So, there are no benefits. Of course there are. All right. So, Easy C. First of all, your benefits will grow over time. For you or any member of your family, the day before, the day of, or the day after your birthday, I shall celebrate your birthday for you, and you can keep the video and use it for your social media, or keep it for your, your personal pleasure and delight. All right. So let us know when you or any family member has a birthday. Live here on the show, we'll celebrate for you. All right. That's very important. Not just for you, your whole family. Okay. The day of, the day before, and day after. We do that so it covers the weekends. That's one of the perks. Also, apart from replying to all your comments, you can now have access to all the exclusive channels on Discord. People who are not a member on YouTube do not get the exclusive channels. They can't call me. They can't be on the show. They can't call in. They can't see all my trades and all the rest of it. There is the Discord link. Now, there are people on Discord now who will try to scam and pretend to be you. So get into Discord. When you're in Discord, let me know you're there, and I will upgrade your account live on the screen. This is Discord, and when you come in, you may already be in there. I don't know, but if you are, let me know your username, and I will upgrade you as well. If you look below this video, you'll see all links page, and for my members, I give away cash back on Amazon. For all my members, if you ever buy anything on Amazon using my referral, it costs you nothing, and I give you cash back. Just let me know you bought something on Amazon using my referral, and I give you 50% of the cash back I get back. So it's free money. I'm in there, pal. I was the one that pointed out the scammer last night. Oh, Easy C. Okay, so what is your username? Come in there right now so I can find you. I can't remember who you are. I've got no way of remembering who you are. I get thousands of messages, so let me know who you are, and I've got no idea. So just come into the chat and tell me what your username is, or just go into like the welcome all. Best place is just go in here. Just go, damn it, Bobby, is that you? Just go into the welcome all and I'll upgrade you. All right, if that's you, just let me know that's you, and I'll do it. Sent you a message. Yeah, I get thousands of messages. Just go into welcome all and I will see you. All right. Here's welcome all. Look. See, welcome all. Easy C. Oh, there you go. He's typing now. From South Africa. All right. Yo. Easy C. Now, is that you? I'm just going to make sure it's you because people will pretend to be you. In the live chat, is that you? Easy C. Is that you? If that is you, just say, yep, that's me. Hey, Nedge Products. Yes, that's me. All right. I'm now going to upgrade you. Okay. I'm going to upgrade you live on the show. You can see me do it. Look. Okay. Scroll down. Make you a member. All right. As long as you're a YouTube member, you will be a member on our channel. There you go. There you go. There you go. You're done. You can now message me. You can now call into the show. If you scroll to the bottom of the screen, see the in-broadcast lounge, you can actually call in and have your say hello to the world, and so on. If you become a silver member, you can go on the homepage of my YouTube channel to promote your channel. If you want to get more subscribers and viewers, I will promote your channel, or I'll pick channels from time to time to promote. And also you can have your own channel on Discord. Right. Now be very, very wary. If anyone on Discord messages you, they're not me. I only ever reply to you, okay? Do not, if anyone says they're called Martyn Lucas, you can tell they're not me, because one, I never message you first, and secondly, most importantly, if you look at their roles, they have no roles. I am the owner. I have the owner role. They have nothing. So be very, very wary. Same on TikTok. I've got over 100 scammers all trying to pretend to be me, and then they're not me at all. I never message or sell anybody anything. Unless you want to buy one of my mugs. In the chat, there you go. Nedge Projects. I received the newsletter. Fantastic. Well, I hope you took part. Only 5 people entered the draw, so you got a very good chance of winning the money. Open your newsletter and look for the cash prize draw. We do it every single week. It's free to enter, free for all. Make sure you take part. Only half a dozen people have entered. Very easy to win this week. Most people just don't watch the whole video or don't leave a comment. It's very easy to win. Virgin Galactic went right back down again. There you go. But I'm still up 5.65. I'm not selling it, though. Virgin Orbit doing swing trading. Tesla up now $913. I'm not selling it at this price. Rivian, I'm up 41%. I did the draw about 15 minutes ago, Brickmark. Excellent stuff. Excellent stuff. I am very pleased to hear it. I did the draw, and remember, if it's a minute video. If you don't watch it all the way through, it won't be included. It doesn't count as a view. All right, subscribe, ring the bell, and give me a thumbs up. Excellent stuff. Excellent. Rivian is popping back up again. Brickmark says I entered the draw. Easy C. Did everybody welcome Easy C? And he's a member of our channel. Did he get a huge welcome? Shall we make him feel extra special? Shall we? Shall I do something nice? What should I do? I'll do this. You ready? Ladies and gentlemen, Easy C is a new member of our channel. Everyone make him feel welcome. Come on, here we go. There we go. There you go. He got a cheer and everything. There you go. Fantastic. Cheers. Hi, Easy C. There you go. He's getting a welcome now. That's better. That's better. We have the Oscar. There's a YouTube Oscars, in case anyone didn't realise, and we have it for the most friendliest YouTube channel in the world. Oh, I see. We're doing a copy and paste. I love it. Let's do it. Let's go over the top. Let's go over the top. Why? Because you only live once. You live for a while, then you die. So you might as well just go for it. Welcome, Easy C. There we go. Copy and paste. That's a viral moment. He's thinking, what the heck? All I did was come on and become a member, and now I'm getting fireworks, I'm getting viral chat. It's like, I'm like a rock star. For no apparent reason, just because we can, because we go over the top. It's what we do. Robinhood is going up. McDonald's is going up. But let me look at my Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson. I want to get back. There we go. 3.5. Welcome, Easy C. Welcome, Easy C. There you go. Look at that, look. He's thinking, bloody hell, I just came in here to say hello and become a member, and now this happens. Don't forget anyone's birthday, the day before, the day after, the day of. Whole family, let me know. You get a happy birthday in the show. One of the perks. One of the perks. One of the perks. Rolls Royce. Oh dear, down. I'm still down on. I can't make any money on Rolls Royce at the moment. Just barcodes all the time. Walmart. We've got the earnings for Walmart, by the way, coming up this week. I think it's tomorrow, isn't it? We've got. Let me tell you. We've got. Walmart is tomorrow morning pre-show, and on August the 17th, we've got Target. And you know me, I'm covering everything. Every flipping earnings in the world, every live show, every viral moment, I'm on it like a car bonnet. I don't miss anything. Tilray Brands up nearly 4%. Oh, get in. I'm up 11% now on Tilray Brands. That will 10x. Ginkgo Bioworks, waiting for opportunity. Enphase Energy, bouncing around, but I'm still up 65%. Bitcoin is down 2.58. I'm just waiting for this massive crash to come. I said when it went over $24,000, 24, 25, we're going to get a crash, and I still think we will. Everything indicates towards that. Everything indicates towards that, but, you know, what do I know? Just a guy on YouTube, wouldn't listen to me. The S&P is pushing up. It's good. I'm very encouraged by this. I'm up 7% now on the S&P, which is the most important sign. Great dividends, great stability. Rio Tinto's coming back up. Opportunity to buy today if you wanted any more. Down 4%. I'm only up 1.42. It's not a bad time if you want more. I don't want any more. I'm fine with that. Virgin Galactic, I'm still up. It's swing trade. You might want to have a separate trade for your short-term positions, but there you go. Right, we're coming up to Day Trader of the Day. Day Trader of the Day. Let's see if anybody signed up for our newsletter. It's 204. It goes out on Sunday. 204. We haven't gained any more today. If anybody wants to be in the free prize draw, come into the chat and tell me, and I'll give you the information how you can be in it. Mike, I can't see your comment on that video. You said you comment. I can't see it. I don't know why. I reckon you commented on the wrong video. I bet you commented on the Ginkgo Bioworks video. I bet you any money you like. I'm just saying. Let me sort it again. Sort by newest first. Yeah, I can't see your comment. Church, Aaron Bell, Bill, Opadu, and Ali Tisro. I bet he's commented on tonight's video. I bet he's gone into the live chat. That's what he's done, look. He's commented on the wrong thing. He's thinking, well, what can I do? You know, yeah, I can see he has. He's commented on the Ginkgo Bioworks. There you go. That'll teach you. Pay attention, Mike. Right. Now then, another thing that anyone can do who's on my channel, I noticed one of my subscribers hasn't renewed on Twitch. You need to set it to automatic renew. And you need to do that because it's free. It's Amazon's money, not your money. It's free. And you'll be in our cash draw every month just by subscribing to me on Twitch. I give away the subscriber money. I read the email. You read the email? Well done. Shad just comes into the show and says, read the email. It's like a statement, isn't it? I read the email. I'm very pleased for you. I'm very pleased for you, Shad. You now have more chance of taking my money. Is that me? I have a monthly reminder. I don't know. Doesn't tell me. Doesn't tell me. One of you's unsubscribed. Absolutely mental. Why would you do that? It's free using Amazon's money. You'll be in the free draw every month. We've only got 9 now. Look, I can't believe it. Someone's unsubscribed, and it's daft because it's free. Why would you not? What it is, someone set it and they didn't do it. They didn't do it on a because you could do it like a permanent thing. No, you can't read. I was telling Mike to read the email. Oh right. Tell Mike to read the email. All right. Don't have a go at me. Don't have a go. I was telling Mike. All right. Don't have a go. Would it be smarter to hold out for a smaller loss or take the loss on a stock? It depends on your position. Don't worry, I won't miss it. Don't worry, I ain't missing it. I ain't losing out on any money. Logan Pizza says, would it be smarter to hold out for a smaller loss or take the loss on a stock? It depends on your position. Everyone's position is completely different. Remember the secret to success on a portfolio. First of all, you invest in good quality stocks. Don't buy junk stocks. Buy quality stocks. That will always go up in time. Buy stocks you don't mind holding. Buy stocks that you believe in and understand. Buy stocks that you've researched. You know the CEO. You're not interested in tweets and Reddit and what silly, crazy people are doing and what people are pumping and promoting and they don't know what they're doing. Virgin Galactic's like that all day long. People are up and down. They don't know if they're in, they're out. They ain't got a clue, right? And sometimes, if you believe that a stock is going to go down, and it's happened to me, Virgin Galactic, I bought at $35 when I first came in, when it was pumping up to 60. Remember all that? And came back down. I made money up, and then I lost some money going back down. But I made it back. And at one point, when I realized that this stock was going to, go all the way down, there'd be delays. And I knew that the stock was basically a trending stock at the time. I sold out and took like a $2,000 loss. But then I let it fall, what would have been $4,000. Let's just pick a number, right? Just give you an idea. And then bought back in again. So I saved myself $2,000 worth of losses. So if I left it where I was, I'd have been down $4,000. I accepted the $2,000 loss and then bought it $4,000 lower. So I saved $2,000. It dropped 2, but it didn't drop 4. And then I bought back in again. And that's how I managed to accumulate more stock. Sometimes you got to cut your losses because you know it's going to go a lot lower. If I think, for example, well, no one knows the answer to this, but if I thought today that the overall market was going to go down 20% and it went down 5%, but I know it's going to go down 20%, take the loss. Take the loss and then buy back at the bottom. That's what you do. And then once you've got the bottom, but you never know when you have the bottom, that's when you hold, and you might never want to sell. Because at the end of the day, you've got to decide what your objectives are. Logan Pizza, you might be coming into this thinking, right, as a lot of people do, I don't want to do anything. I want to get rich overnight, and that's it. A lot of people are like that. A lot of people on crypto just have got no idea about investing, no idea what they're buying. They're buying it because someone on YouTube says so. They buy it. They want to make some money and get out without doing any work. Well, I believe in hard work. It's why the most important investment you'll ever make is investing in yourself. Investing in yourself, your discipline, your education, your structure, your motivation. Invest in yourself. Number one thing. Invest in yourself. Prime yourself to be able to trade in the most responsive and productive way. And very few people do that. They don't care. They don't take care of their health. They don't take care of their well-being. They don't take care of their education. They just want to buy and sell, making money in 5 minutes. I'm down bad right now, but that tells me to buy more. Really, sound crazy, but over time you'll thank yourself. I'm down bad right now, but that tells me to buy more. Really, sound crazy, but over time you'll thank yourself. Church of Logic. Basically what Market Profit did when he knew that the market was going to go down. Absolutely right. Market Profit came out of the market, kept everything in cash, and he re-entered when I called the bottom. Not because I called the bottom. Well, probably because I called the bottom. It's lovely to have Rob Brennan here this morning. How are you, Rob? Did you see SPCE this morning? Huge pop this morning. I say huge. It wasn't huge. It was nearly 2%. But in fact, it was more than that because we were down 1.26 and we were 2, 3, 4, 4% swing. It's always an honour when Rob comes in. We love Rob Brennan. He took a massive loss, but he's one of the most generous, supportive members of our channel. He's been a member since he came here. He's never cancelled. He supported members. He supported charities. He's donated to people. Supported Zach. And he took a hit. And we're all here for Rob Brennan, and we feel his pain every day. Anyway, time to boycott our team, Manchester United. Bloody hell, it's the theatre of nightmares. The theatre of nightmares. I've been there. I've been to Old Trafford. It's all party games right now, isn't it? A bottom wouldn't be the bottom if everyone knew it was a bottom. Correct. Absolutely correct. I've already predicted and I've already stuck to it, and I'm standing by what I said. My high-tech stocks have reached bottom for me. And remember, a bottom is everybody else's. Is not necessarily, a bottom is a bottom for you. It depends where you bought the market. I mean, if you bought Amazon 20 years ago, this ain't the bottom. It's the bottom 20 years ago. It's relative. It's relative. When people call a bottom, it's relative to you entering the market. And are you just swinging in and out, scalp trading? And I do that from time to time, but there are times when I hold the market. And right now I'm holding the market. Is everyone bunch of overrated? It's everyone. Bunch of overrated players. There we go. Time to boycott our team. Yeah, I'm all right. My parents have been supportive. I might actually pay off my debt so I can have a fresh start. Wow, how lucky are you? And with new job, I might start to invest sooner rather than later. No margin, though. Find a balance, though, Rob. There's nothing wrong with margin. You've just got to know how to use it. And the worst thing to do is overreact, knee-jerk reaction. This is the time to be in the market, because if you look at my portfolio, we're up over the month, up over the week, up over 3 months. You know, we were at the bottom when I was at 28 grand round here. You know, if you're sat on the sidelines now waiting for it to go up, that's the wrong thing to do. And I know, I took losses. I know what it feels like. Well, you're very, very lucky. You're very lucky if you have the support like that. Very lucky indeed. Anyway, tonight is Ginkgo Bioworks. Ginkgo Bioworks, we're very excited about it because Ginkgo Bioworks tonight could have a very interesting earnings. Here it is. I agree. I have to take it slow though, and likely just relax with index funds with no margin. Should I buy the dip on arrival? Should we have a little look on arrival? Now, for me, arrival is a company. We have to get very straight about this. What they're doing is great, but remember, a lot of companies that we own will not be around in 3 years' time. A lot of companies will go bankrupt. I have not yet bought one company that's gone bankrupt. But it will. There's going to be a time when something goes pop. Arrival, the share price is nothing right now. Any lower than this, it goes bankrupt. If Arrival goes to 30 cents, you know, it's going bankrupt. It can't raise money, and it needs to raise money. So just understand that if Arrival goes any lower, it will go bankrupt. Don't just keep buying it when it goes cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. You do not buy a stock to make 5%. You buy a stock to make 100%. At least I do. And right now, I'm in. I'm down 15%. So you might go, well, why don't I buy some more? No. I wish I wasn't down, and I could go down, but don't throw money after bad. This stock could go to zero. It could. I don't think it will. If I thought it would, I would take my loss and go, okay, let's get 586 out of it. I've got 586. But I'm not going to, because I'm going to hold it, because if this company survive the next year, and they get themselves moving, my $1.63 will seem cheap. Forget 137, 127, 99 cents, 15 cents. That's bankruptcy. Forget all that. If this company does what it could do, this could 10x. So my $500 could be worth $5 grand. So forget my $500. I've made an investment. I'm not chasing the stock down just because it's cheap. It's like chasing Carnival when Carnival went down. Carnival's a smaller company now. Everybody said, buy Carnival. It's not cruising. It's getting cheap. Well, it's not the same company. It's increased its debt. It's lost all its customers. Don't chase it. So I'm not chasing Arrival. I don't care how cheap it gets, because it's already free. At this price, it's a junk stock at this price. The company has got potential to be great. So I'm holding it. And 428 shares at $40 a share is a lot of money, right? A hell of a lot of money. And that's where it could go. So why do you need to buy any more? Don't over risk. It's all about risk management. Easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. And everyone looks at a stock and they go, it's getting cheaper, I want to buy it. Where's the stock going? Not where it's been. Where it's been is up here and it's going down lower. Well, do you buy a stock that's going lower? No, unless ultimately you think it's going higher. All right? So you got to manage the risk, and I'm not chasing the stock down. If this goes lower and lower and lower, it's not because it's great value, it's because it's going bust. Recognize the difference between a discount and nobody wants it. You know when you go into a shop and they've got a pair of Levi jeans and they do it on half price, that's a discount. Quality jeans, Levi 501s, remember that? Remember the old washing machine advert? Was it Nick Cave, wasn't it, or something like that? I don't know. Remember all that? So you've got a pair of £50, $50 jeans. They're $25, half price. That's a bargain. You're buying a quality product at a half price. Buy that. Buy that. But if they're now saying that Levi jeans are 1 cent, they're in the bargain basement bucket bag, nobody wants them, they're giving them away now. Nobody wants them. When I used to promote my theatre shows and I offered free tickets, nobody wanted to go. I sold more tickets when I put the price up. It was a quality show and I demanded a quality price. When I put the tickets up, I sold more. When I gave the tickets away for free to promote the show, no one wanted it. Why is it free? It must be crap. No one's going. No, it's not crap. It's a good show. I'm just promoting it. That's all right. There you go. I have a small buy order at 125. That's what Shad's doing. If 137 is not a good price for you, why is 125? You're not buying a rival, are you? Because you think it's going to go to $1.50, are you? Aren't you buying a rival because you think it's going to go to $10 to $20? Are you? Surely you are. Well, then why do you care if it's 137 or 125? What difference does it make? What difference does it make? It makes a difference now, but what difference does it make? If you think it's only worth money at 125, then you don't really believe in the stock. Then you shouldn't be buying it. How do you deal with the filing your tax with all your selling and buying? Very easy. I'm a self-employed person, and I do my own accounts. I use EasyBooks on my phone, and I present it to my accountant at the end of the year, and very easy. Any views on long-term... hang on. How do you deal with filing your taxes when selling and buying? Very easy. I don't know what to say about that. Any views on a long-term stock to buy for my kids? I already have S&P and the FTSE for them. Well, at a young age, you're looking at growth stocks, aren't you? If I can get to $5, I'm good. All right. I had to buy order set a long while ago. I had plug at $2 years ago. It can happen. If I had that attitude, I'd be buying it every day. If I had that attitude, I'd be buying it every day. Why would you buy it every day? You wouldn't buy it every day, would you? What you should do is what is your allocation on the stock? How much of your money wants to be in this company? You shouldn't be buying it every day. That's why I'm not buying it every day, am I? Where's your sell price value for a rival? $1? I don't have a sell price right now. I want to see what the company does. Right now, they've not ramped up. They haven't proved themselves right now. When they start proving themselves, and they start making money, and they start delivering vehicles, then, and only then, I will look at where the company's going. Right now, it's a lottery ticket. It's a potential. So I've got $500 worth of shares. That's all it is. You can't set a price target on a company that isn't doing anything. Doesn't make any sense. Wait till they actually produce something and do something, then go, okay, Where is the market growth for this company? Where's it going to go in the future? What can it grow into? Then I set a price target. Right now, it's just a startup. It isn't doing anything. How can you pick a price? Just pick it out of thin air? It hasn't done anything yet. It hasn't gone anywhere. I mean, where's Arrival gone so far? And if you say this, I'm gonna slap you. This wasn't anything. This was trending, hyping, redditing, nothing. This wasn't anything. This isn't anything. Don't think because it was $31, that's where it's going. That means nothing. That was speculation, drama. We're the new electric company. We're brilliant. Everyone's buying us. That's just speculation and drama. That's not investing. Of course, I'd be very happy if that happened again. I'd make a lot of money, right? But that's not what we're doing here. We're looking at the balance sheet now. We're looking at where the company's going, and when it starts making money and its customers start piling up, then we'll reassess. This number is fugazi, is make-believe, is nonsense, is drama and romance. Means nothing at all. So don't base it on that. This man speaks nothing but facts. Well, Leo, thank you very much. Not heard of CSX before. I'll take a look. Drink brands are not a bad shout. Diageo, that's what Caden likes. You know, always make money. I mean, what price going down would you sell to avoid a complete loss due to bankruptcy? What price would you sell? To avoid complete bankruptcy, I've invested $577 because I believe the company can do well. I didn't buy it believing that it could go bankrupt. I'm always looking on the positive side of things at the same time protecting myself. If this stock goes to zero, it won't affect my portfolio one bit. It's 0.79 of my portfolio. If it goes to zero, I lose $500. It makes no difference whatsoever. In fact, I lose more than that. I lose about $700. It will make no difference. That's the point. That's the point. I have protected my portfolio. I've managed my risk. I'm not stressed. I'm not worried. I'm not bothered. Don't get me wrong. I don't want to lose $700. But I didn't buy this for it to go to zero. And I didn't buy it to go to $1.90 or $2. I bought it to go up 100%. That's the only reason why I buy any stocks. And I'll reassess when it starts making profits when I should get out. But if it starts making profits and the company's growing, it could be years before I get out. So I'm not going to start selling now because that would just be silly. I'm just going to throw money away. And I don't, and it's not a, you know, it's not like it's $10,000. If it was $10,000, I mean, it wouldn't have been. That's the point. It never would have been 10 grand because the company isn't doing anything yet. I'm backing a company. What does investing mean? It means you back someone who's starting out. I mean, at least that's what I do anyway. Starting out with a great potential, not just jumping on the bandwagon. I don't jump on the bandwagon. I invest in something that could be greater in the future, that needs investment to grow it. And that's why you invest, not just to make money. You invest because you believe a company can be bigger than it is today. That's the way I look at it. So with Tesla, when do you think they will level out at? They seem to be making record-breaking sales every year, presumably due to growth. We haven't even started with Tesla yet. Tesla's a $4,000 stock. Tesla is a $4,000 stock. Do you think by 2030 they'll produce more steady results? I only have 2% of my portfolio in it, and I think it can go. Somewhere. I want to lower my average, so can I sell some on the way up? I want to lower my average, so can I sell some on the way up? Yeah, take some profits off the table. You never, ever, ever, ever go bankrupt by taking profits. You never, ever, ever lose by taking profits. Doesn't matter what the stock does tomorrow. Doesn't matter where the stock goes tomorrow. Are you up? Have you made money? Are you happy? Walk away. Don't try and beat everyone else. Don't try and time the market. Don't try and be the richest man in the grave. Just grow your portfolio to your objectives. What are your objectives? You all know my objectives. My objectives are very, very clear. This is my portfolio. I want to grow to 100,000 by the end of the year, 200,000 by the end of next year, and then move heavily into dividend stocks, earn 20% a year, and have no stress, no worries, and just keep reinvesting until I need to start taking the money out. That's it. It's easy. Stick to the plan. Don't deviate. Do you think there's a big risk of bankruptcy for space? No. All the long-term stuff announced is great, but meaningless if they can't actually get spaceships in the sky. No risks whatsoever. Because Richard Branson, it's his legacy. It's his legacy to get this to work. It's his final. It's the thing he wants to leave to the planet. He wants people to experience space. He'll put money in. Don't worry about that. There's no. I mean, all these questions. It's incredible that we even asked them. Why would I invest $9,000 of my money if I thought there's a big risk of bankruptcy? I'm not in a casino. I'm not gambling. I'm not risking anything. I'm not putting $9,000 and because I think this company might go bankrupt. I don't think that for a minute. Does that mean it's a fact? No. Does that mean I could get it wrong? Of course it does. That's why I'm not doing anything with the stock right now. I'm just holding it. I'm up 4%. I'm okay with that. Perfectly okay with that. Anyway, Tesla 914 today, pushing towards 1,000. Rivian down slightly. Let's have a quick commercial break. We've got day trader of the day. I'm going to be here for another half an hour, and then of course we've got I've got to go because it's water aerobics day. Subscribe and ring the bell if you've just tuned in. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're here. Absolutely awesome stuff. Alex Hunt is here. Stock hype is very dangerous. Drug to give into peer pressure. I learned the hard way with Snap. Yeah. Well, Snap was rubbish. I'm sorry. You know, I'm just telling you how it is. Snap is a child's plaything. Snap is a meme, a crazy stock. Snap's a rubbish app. Snapchat, rubbish. When Snapchat reported bad, everybody sold out of Google, YouTube, and Facebook. And I went, what are you doing? Google and Facebook and YouTube aren't Snapchat. Oh, well, hang on a minute. It's the same sector. It's losing money. Snapchat is, yeah. Advertisers don't advertise on Snapchat. They put it on YouTube and Google. Facebook. It's far more powerful. So Snapchat going down is nothing. Snapchat could disappear tomorrow. It doesn't do anything. It's a silly little app for kids. It doesn't do anything. I wouldn't advertise on Snapchat. What's the point? And neither does anybody else. So everyone's sold out, and that's why Google got cheap, and that's why YouTube, which obviously is owned by Google, and Facebook got cheap, and I bought some more. People didn't know what they was investing in. Anyway, I'm up 140% on CSX. I'm up 140% on CSX when it's 52-week low. You're up 140% when it was at a 52-week low. Well, that's pretty good then, isn't it? I'm scared to hold it. Well, how much part of your portfolio is it? Have you made money? Are you happy? Do you see a bigger opportunity somewhere else? I mean, if you've got profits, take it. If you know, I invested in Snap thinking there was going to be an improvement on advertisement on the app. No, you can see it. The app's completely different. The app doesn't do anything. Anyway, there you go. Did you learn from it? I mean, what can you learn from it? You can't always learn things. Everyone says you learn from your mistakes. Not always. Sometimes you have to accept that you make mistakes, and that's okay. You're a human being. We all make mistakes all the time. You can't always learn from them. Sometimes you didn't do anything wrong. You invested in a company that you thought would do well. You didn't know it. You didn't know. It didn't work out. Life's like that. Stuff happens all the time. You know, Warren Buffett makes loads of mistakes. I learned to do more research. Well, yeah. But then you should be doing that anyway. Too many people come in, especially on TikTok. They'll come in on TikTok and they'll go, what should I buy? I don't know what their portfolio is, what their risk management is, how much money they've got, how they feel, what their education is, whether they're borrowing money on their credit cards, whether they've got a mortgage or car loan, whether they just want to come in and make money in 5 minutes. But someone on TikTok will go, what should I buy today? Like it's a magic answer. It requires thought, process. A lot of people don't want to do that. Anyway. Let's run a quick commercial break. Let's do day trader of the day, and then I'm going to have to get off. Did anybody buy my mug today? Buy a day trader mug like this. It's in the super chat, and you can be as amazing as me with my mug. You can own a hat and a pair of socks with a day trader on it. Brilliant, isn't it? What a life this is. What a life we lead. Right, okay, here we go. Let's do a quick commercial break. We've got day trader of the day. Let's see who won today, and then I've got to get off and go swimming. You ready? See you back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. And I'm back in the room. It was painless, wasn't it? Absolutely painless. Right, tonight we're doing Ginkgo Bioworks in the after hours. Here is the link to the show. There is the link to the show. That'll bring you to this page. Ginkgo Bioworks on my website. And then, if you click on it, it will bring you to the video and you can put a like on it. We got 5 likes. Very disappointed. I thought we'd get more than 5. More than 5 people want to make money. Come on, guys. Where do you see Experian stock going? I have 19 shares. Experian. I'd need to look at it. Logan Pizza, I will have a look at it. I will have a look at it for you. All right. Let me have a little look. I've got Experian. How to grow your credit score. By the way, I've got a perfect credit score and I've only been in America 6 years. I've got a perfect credit score in the UK and a perfect credit score here in the US. And I've only been here 5-6 years. How did I do that? It's nothing to do with having money, folks. It's just about how you manage the credit and debt you have. That's all it is. So before anyone says, oh, well, you've got more money than me. No, I haven't. I've got less money than most. I work for them. Ah, very good. Experian. And they gave them out. Aren't you lucky? Aren't you lucky? Nice one. Well, you can't go wrong then if it's free shares, can you? Experian is always going to be around. People are always going to use it. It's a great credit agency. I would say that'll be a continual slow grow. I will have a look at it right now, though. I'll have a look at the stock. Let's have a little look at it. Right. Day trader of the day coming up. I want to see how many people watch my Ginkgo video. 34 so far in the first hour. Not too bad. All right. Let's see if we've got any subscribers. I like this bit. Ready? Roll it. Here we goes. 4, 3, 3, 9, 1. That's terrible. Morning profit. Market profit. Good morning. Oh, the Illuminati's here. The Illuminati's here. Look at that. The Illuminati is here. I love it. How are you, market? What do you think about the markets right now, market? Market, what do you think of the markets, market? Market profit. Legend. He is a legend. By the way, Market Profit is a member of our channel. He just often comes in with his other channel, just so you know. So I do reply to his comments, highlight his comments. He is a member. He's just a member with a different account. He's a very complicated individual. What can I say? What can I say about it? Not much I can say, to be honest. Right. Let's have a little look then. You wanted me to look at You wanted me to look at Experian. Experian. It might not be available in the US. Experian. Is this the one here? Let's have a look. Experian. Oh yeah, it's a UK thing. That's what this means here. American depository for a non-US based company. It's probably based in the UK. All right. Been around since 1980. In Dublin, in Ireland. 20,000 employees. Wow, it's got quite a lot of people when you think what it does. The whoopsie daisy, what happened there? There we go, that's better. Very, very low volume. It doesn't trade at all. Very low volume, doesn't do anything. Today's volume is off the charts compared to it normally is. It holds a dividend, which is interesting. 52-week low, 27. There's no real growth in it. Let's have a look at it. Oh, there we go. Steady growth. Remember I said before I looked at it, I said just long, steady growth. Just slow, steady. That's all it is. There you go. That's a good chart, folks. That's a good chart. And what happened there? Look, March. Let's have a look. It fell off with everything else. This is quite good, actually. This looks like the S&P 500. By the way, you might recognize that. That looks like the S&P 500. Please investigate and PRQR. I will look into that. I do it for my members. If you want to be a member, I can make a video on it for you and analyze the stock for you. If I get 5 minutes, I will look at it. You don't have to be a member. But at the moment, I'm just doing one of my members' stocks. Here's the invitation to join, should you wish to be part of our happy family. All right. Experian, it's had good growth, 81% over 5 years, and it's got a good dividend. It's quite good. I had a dream about you, Martin. Oh, my God, no. Don't dream about me. Overbought. The markets are overbought, but the Fed has lost all credibility. So although we are due for a major sell-off, I believe the stock market will continue to climb higher until inevitable implosion happens. That's what market says. Robinhood may need to join force with a larger Wall Street. They will be bought out. I don't have much doubt. But having said that, they have a huge amount of cash. They're not going anywhere. Robinhood have got a lot of money behind them, so don't worry about that. All of this raises the question of whether Robinhood may need to sell itself to a bigger financial services. They have vowed that they will not sell out or merge. I think it was FTX. They said, no, we don't need their money. They've got plenty of money. They've got plenty of money in cash. And they're making more money now with interest rates going up. Speculation about possible deal with increase in recent months after crypto billionaire, CEO unicorn, FTX. Yeah, that's not happening though. They're not selling out. They're not being bought out by FTX. I had a dream about you, Martin. I am watching you on the phone on the... I had a dream on the toilet. I had a dream about you, Martin, and I am watching you on my phone on the toilet. I am so not surprised. So many people watch me on the toilet. It's a real worry for me. I don't know how to cope with it. I'm just going to hold forever. In a couple of years, they triple it. Logan Pizza. I like that. I think Experian is a good buy. I think it's a good buy. It was a good buy if I'd bought it a month ago. Or even 3 months ago, down here. But, you know, down 14%, what, that 22%? You don't buy a stock just to be up 22%. There you go. Plus the dividend. You should get a toilet paper sponsor. I probably should. Anyway, Day trader of the day. Let's go into our main portfolio and see where we are. If you've just tuned in, folks, smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up, let us know you're here. Tonight, before we do day trade, I've got like 5 minutes to go, so I've got to be very, very quick. Tonight, we are doing Ginkgo Bioworks. Please, 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 click on this now, open a separate tab, and you can be in Ginkgo Bioworks tonight. There it is. See it? Once you click on that link, what is it? So, Martin, it's the trick to day trade to pick a stock that is close to earnings date. There's no real trick to it, Jeff. There's a lot to unpack. I can't answer your question in 5 minutes. We're live 10 hours a day, Monday to Friday, trading, investing all the time with my real money, my real trades. Hang on, Logan Pizza. So when you click on that link, that'll bring you to this page here. This will then give you Ginkgo Bioworks, where we're going to do after hours. I've got 5 likes on it now. Everybody smash the like button. Get in there for tonight. All right? But let's go and do day trader of the day right now. This is my position. I am down very slightly. And I'm perfectly happy with that, by the way. I'm perfectly happy with that. Jeff Colvington, I'd love to help you and support you. I'm live here all the time. I'm answering your questions. Consider being a member. And you can also access me 24 hours a day on my Discord. This is my full-time gig. I'm here all the time helping people. We have cash giveaways all the time. I send out my newsletter every week with all my tips. All the information is below in the description of this video. Here's Discord. If you want to be on Discord, talk to all the members. You need to be a YouTube member to access all the top exclusive content though. Mistress MM, GSFI Solar Play. I love solar. I've got a big position in solar. You all know I'm in Enphase Energy. Here is Enphase Energy. Right, day trader of the day. I've got to go in a couple of minutes. Cash prize giveaway coming up on Friday. If you want to be in our prize draw, ask me about it and I'll give it to you. Right, so here we go. I am down today very slightly, 0.62%. That's good. I'm perfectly happy with that. When you hold for long term, if you go down, it doesn't matter if it's one day you're down. No, of course it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. You're only down when you sell. You're only down when you sell. Stocks go up and down. Overall, look, you see over the week, the month, I'm up. Look, I'm up over the week. I'm over the month. Over 3 months. There you go. I'm up 8 grand, 23% in the last 3 months. See, look, everything's great. No issue. Not stressed, not worried. Not at all. Right, okay. Let's get the scores on the doors. 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. I'm down 0.62. I beat Brickmark. Brickmark is down 1.18. Fusion goes into the lead, up 0.5%. I am down 1.13. I'm down 4%. So I ain't winning. You ain't winning today. You're damn right. You're damn right there, mate. Well, I'm nearly winning today, but it looks like I'm just pipped at the post by Fusion is up 0.56. Let's see if anybody else puts a score on the door. Chicky, 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 bow, bow, said chicky, 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 bow, bow, there you go. 13 seconds to go. Enphase Energy, big spike today. Look at that. Let's end the timer. Then we blow the horn. Okay, looks like the winner is undisputed heavyweight champion of the world is Fusion, who is up 0.56. All right, I've got get ready to go to water aerobics this morning. Oh yeah, I'm going water aerobics. And that person that subscribed to me on TikTok, I'm going to make you a video today and promote your channel. Oh yes, I am. Thank you very much for subscribing to me. Fusion 301, would everybody please can give him a huge congratulations, please. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. And let's hear the sound effects. Oh yeah, would everybody please welcome, congratulate our friend Fusion 301. Very good. Right, nice one. See you later, Shadstream. I've got your comment to put on my show yet. Your little picture. I love the picture, by the way. Going to share it soon. Right, I just need someone to say, roll those credits, and we can roll the credits, and we can celebrate and see who took part in our show, who became a subscriber, who gave me a tip, who didn't give me a tip. And there you go. We got 4,340 subscribers today. Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Very happy to help. Where you from, Jeff? I'm actually from Cornwall, United Kingdom. My studio's here in Dallas, Texas. We go live all the time. We're here to help you. We're here to support you. That's what we do. All right. Roll the credits, they're saying. Roll the credits. Let's see who took part. Did I win the draw today? Don't even begin. Don't even begin on it. You know how annoying that is for me. Don't even start. I didn't give you a tip, Jez West. Here he is, Jez West. Ain't seen Jez West for ages. Jez West. How are you, mate? Welcome, one of my mates. He's not even a member of our show. I don't know why I'm even talking to him. Jez West. Here's the invitation to join. Nearly every single person. We have the highest engagement rate, even more than Mr. Beast, biggest YouTuber in the world. More people per viewer are members on our channel than any other channel in the world. Go and check it. I've checked it. It's a fact. We're live all the time. We're more engaging. We're here for everybody. We have the free cash prize draw every single week. If you want to be in our draw, I've got 10 seconds to give it to you. Every Sunday I send out an email and I give the money away that I make on my YouTube channel. There you go. There is the link to the newsletter, and below that link are all the other good stuff. Here's the email you need to look. It'll be in your chat, in your junk box. It always goes in there because it's the it uses the word cash prize draw. But let's do not bad, says Jez West. Not bad at all. Right, I've got to go. Time to go for water aerobics. Roll the damn credits. Let's see who took part in the show and who didn't. Here we go. Stars of the show. Thanks for your support. Moderators, you didn't do nothing today. Nothing to do. Jessica Francis became a follower over there on TikTok, on Twitch. Everyone should be a follower and a subscriber. Use your Amazon Prime to be a subscriber on Amazon on my Twitch channel because YouTube own Twitch, and every month I give away a free prize, absolutely free. Everyone should be a subscriber on Twitch. I don't know why you're not. How's my back? My back's a bit alright. That's why I'm going water aerobics regularly, 3 times a week. Thank you, Jessica Francis, for following me. A new subscriber, Anthony Brooks, and a new member, Easy C. Thank you for taking part. Thank you for being here. I'm off to water aerobics. I hope you've all clicked the video. Did you all click the video that we're trying to go viral today with? No? Let me give it to you again because I'm about to end the show. You've got 10 seconds left. Here it is. Go and click on this video at the end of the show. Leave a comment. Be in our free draw. Get excited. Be happy. Thank you very much over there. That's it from me. I'll see you back for the closing bell, followed by Ginkgo Bioworks earnings. Ta-ra. Take care of yourselves and each other. Hiya, Jeff from Florida. Come back later. Bye-bye.